Hey guys, Izzy from Endless RVing, and in today's video we're going to talk about a pretty important thing that's going on with diesel engines, specifically diesel motorhomes, that could leave you on the side of the road and not being able to repair and get that motorhome out on the road in a timely fashion. So you may be wondering, what is he talking about? Well, if you have a diesel motorhome, you probably know what I'm about to tell you. If you're looking to get a diesel motorhome, you're definitely going to want to watch to what I'm going to tell you. So what I'm talking about is the DEF monitoring system. I'm just going to give a quick summary. We don't have a diesel motorhome, but I've done the research and we're looking for a diesel motorhome, and DEF is going to be part of it. Basically what that is, it is a fluid that is injected into the exhaust of the diesel truck or whatever, diesel motor, whatever that's applied to, and it reduces the amount of pollution that that vehicle emits. So to make sure that vehicles are in compliance, there are DEF monitoring systems. They're made up of quite a few different things, but essentially the DEF monitoring systems, they're going to look for certain things regarding the quality, the quantity, and the temperature of the DEF. Now, if the DEF head senses some kind of problem with the DEF system, it's going to send a signal to the engine computer, and that's going to trigger usually around 100-mile clock countdown, that if that problem is not remedied, the engine computer will call derate your engine. A lot of times that means that your engine will be limited to about 5 miles an hour. Now you could imagine the problem that this can cause. The initial reason for doing this is because the EPA wants to make sure that if there's some kind of issue with the DEF system, if that vehicle is polluting, it's going to give you a reason to get over to a repair shop, right? If you can only do 5 miles an hour, you're not going to be able to use that vehicle. Now, you could have the same derating of the motor if something goes wrong with that DEF head, the actual monitoring system. Currently in the market, there is a huge shortage of replacement parts for these DEF heads. The main reason is that they use, microchips, and there is a huge microchip shortage, both for making vehicles, computers, parts. And this is not only on motorhomes, these are heavy-duty trucks. These DEF heads are failing, and then we're going to talk about motorhomes, they can't be repaired. Not because people don't know how to repair them, they can't get the parts. And we're talking about months out. So there's a lot of stories, there's a lot of testimonials online. People have new motorhomes, 4,000, 5,000 miles. They get a DEF head failure and they're out of luck. Now, normally this wouldn't be a problem. You would go to a shop, they will replace it, fix it, you're back on the road. But that is not what's happening now. So what does this mean for you as the motorhome, the diesel motorhome owner? Well, hopefully you've had some extra parts on board. If you did, or if you do, you're good. Otherwise, you gotta hope that if you haven't had any problems, you don't have any problems. But if you've had a problem, you're kind of SOL, right? You're stuck unless you can get a part. You can salvage an old part from another RV. Maybe you can get out there. But there is a solution that hopefully is going to be coming out in the next couple of weeks, and we're going to talk about that. This information is from RVtravel.com. It is dated August 28th, 2021. And there's some good news ahead. Now, a big player in all of this is Cummins. They have so many motors in so many motorhomes. Like almost all the new ones out there are coming with Cummins motors. There's some other ones out there, but almost all of them are Cummins. Cummins, due to complaints from consumers and obviously the issue they're having getting parts, they are able to reprogram, or I should say, they're able to write program and reflash the engine computer of certain models. And essentially it will tell the computer to kind of forget about that bad DEF head, forget about that, let's not derate the motor. This is to buy time until sufficient parts are available. Now, Cummins can't do this without the permission of the EPA, without the blessing of the EPA. Here's the quote from Cummins. As we have shared, we have been working closely with OEM and industry partners and the regulatory agencies to find a solution that addresses the widespread shortage of replacement parts related to DEF sensor failure. That's the DEF heads for short. We have developed a software calibration for customers who have experienced this failure and would allow customers to continue or resume operating their vehicles. Pending that outcome of discussions with regulatory agencies, we expect to begin introducing this calibration across several model years in the next few weeks. The details are being finalized, and once ready, customers receive communication about when and where they can receive the software calibration and next steps once replacement parts become available. Now that's great news. But here's the bad news. We've already spoken many times about the issues going on with the RV industry now. Not only parts, like we're talking about right now, but service, the ability to service motorhomes. So a calibration is available, but getting into that service and getting it done could be an issue. Now, hopefully this can get resolved quickly regarding the parts being caught up on, but it doesn't seem to be, things as far as parts don't seem to be catching up anytime soon. We just want you to know, if you're going and you're looking into buying a new motorhome, a diesel motorhome, keep this in mind, because the last thing you want to do is spend $300,000, $600,000, $700,000. You have your dream trip planned, and all of a sudden you're stuck on the side of the road. You get towed to a repair center and it can't be repaired. We want you, the customer, to know what is going on. So in the comments below, let us know, have you had a DEF monitoring failure? If you did you have the spare parts? Were you able to get it replaced, or are you still waiting? Put it in the comments below. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.